Hello, today we will guide you through how to use presale code on Ticketmaster. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Ticketmaster Philippines website. This is where you can browse available events such as concerts, sports, and festivals. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct regional Ticketmaster site, since presale access and event listings can vary depending on location. From the homepage, click on the sample event shown on the screen. In a real booking situation, this would be the event you want to attend. Selecting the event will open its details page where you can review important information like the date, venue, and ticket availability. It's always a good idea to read this page carefully before moving forward, especially during presale periods when tickets can sell quickly. Next, scroll down the event page until you find the section labeled Find Ticket or Find Tickets. This area is typically where Ticketmaster places the main purchase option for the event. If you do not see it right away, keep scrolling slowly, since the event page may include promotional images, event descriptions, or other details before the ticketing section appears. Once you locate it, click on Find Tickets. This will take you to the ticket selection or access page for the event. Depending on the event, Ticketmaster may ask you to unlock access before showing available seats or pricing. This is normal for presale events, where only users with a valid code can continue. At this point, enter the presale code into the provided field. For privacy and security, make sure you use your own valid code and avoid sharing it publicly. After entering the code, click Submit. If the code is accepted, follow the on-screen procedure to continue with ticket selection and checkout. The next screens may vary slightly depending on the event, but Ticketmaster will guide you through each part of the booking process. As a helpful tip, enter the code carefully and double-check for any typing mistakes before submitting, since presale codes are often case-sensitive. It can also help to have your payment details and account login ready ahead of time so you can complete the purchase more efficiently. And that's how to use a presale code on Ticketmaster. Follow the prompts on your screen, review your selections carefully, and complete your booking when you're ready.